Yeah, man. We are live and we are going to start the game as always. Sunday night. We had a big gig today at our winery called William Chris. Really cool place. We played with the full band there. So the guys showed up. We freaking jammed out, man. We had a really good gig. He plays D5, I'll play C4. Who's that, man? Yoshi, thanks for the like. How you doing, Yoshi? Max, what's up, brother? Okay, this move, man, is that even a move? Happy Sunday to you, Kyle. Thanks. Jonathan Thrasher comes in dropping 100 stars. Thank you, Jonathan. How you doing today, man? Corey Stewart asks, what's up, man? How was my day? Dude, it was great, man. We had a freaking blast. We went and played music all day. It was really cool. Kyle T. Massey, thanks for the like. Jeremy Sinot, thanks for the like. Tim Wheaton says, hey, brother, I'm new and I've been waiting for this all day. Love this. Mex said you saw my band play on Friday. I know, Mex. You know why? Because you're a supporter. And you get supporter-only content. No plug. But, yeah, for sure. Boy, you guys are coming in, man. So, like, oh, I just dropped this pawn. I'll sack it. Joshua Creedic, thanks for the like. Mex, thanks for the like. Yeah, Tim, welcome, man. Welcome to the stream, dude. Appreciate you, man. I'm glad you caught it. This is a little bit later than a normal stream. My normal time is more like, what's this guy doing? I'm already trying to beat him in the opening. I shouldn't be doing that. I should just develop in castle. Love the smooth pace you play. Thank you, Mac. Yeah, man. Tim, this is a little bit later. This is like an after dark. Like I've been saying, our band played at a winery today, and we had a great time. But I couldn't stream at normal time. But I always show up for you guys, man. Kyle T. Massey says, Charlie, building a chess army one video at a time. That's right, Kyle, and you're part of it, brother. Appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for coming. Mac Bond is like, that's one of them strong names, man. Mac Bond. Hey, man. Mex Boston has used 200 stars. Thanks, Mex.
Happy Sunday, Charlie.
Thank you, Mex. I looked up to the voice. Thank you, Mex. Happy Sunday to you too, brother. Mex is in Canada. He is our Canadian representative. Okay, there's like... Not really. There's not really mate threats here. Mac Bond says 008 Marco Dow, welcome, dude. Scott Day, thanks for the like. Jeff Fist, thanks for the like. And thanks again for the 200 stars, Max. You're the man. Tim Wheaton says, all good, man. It's only lunchtime here in Oz. I'm in the future. I'm a musician too, brother. Keep keen to hear some of your stuff. Tim, what do you play, man? What are you into? Carrington Conley, are you going to do any more teaching streams? Yes, I'll do a teaching stream. You know what I need to, there's so many things I'm doing, but I will. I'll do a teaching stream. What I need to do is a teaching stream, with supporters only. We talked about this. What I need to do is figure out the best time to do it. And I'm going to look at my calendar and see, like, maybe next weekend, because I don't think I have anything. It's like, what is he doing? Why can't I just totally win right now, guys? Why can't I win right now? I guess I'm just going to improve my position. Mex says it's 10:30 here. Okay. Hey, bro, I'm doing great, man. And so yeah, I need to check my schedule and see when we can schedule the supporter only stream. And from there, we'll do it. I'll ask you guys what's best for you so we can kind of get the best people, the most amount out of it. Louis Dello is like, thank you, man. And Mex dropped another 110. Appreciate you, Mex. Tim Whedon says, I'm a piano player. I love classic rock. I'm in a cover band, ATM, but working on some new stuff with a pretty big musician from Australia right now. Hopefully some big things coming. Absolutely. Good luck to you, Tim. I wish you the best with your music, man. Carrington says, can't wait for the Wednesday night tournament. Wasn't that fun, Carrington? We had so much freaking fun. I have no idea what to do here. I would love to get in a check, but he's just gonna play freaking H5, man. Can I give up? Nope. This square is not kosher, bro, to give up. Just develop. I don't even need to think. I don't even need to rush this. Matthew Zacharias is liked, and Lesico Jet is back. Thank you. Thanks for coming back. Bro, if you want to play me, you're going to have to get on your chess.com account and send me a challenge. And if I see it and it's a 15-10, I'll take it. And if I don't, I'm going to start the next game. So that's how I roll. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time setting games up. But I will, if you send it, I'll accept it. Just to develop. Tim, yeah, you're welcome, dude. Harrington Connolly said, what a blast, chill vibes, and a cool environment. That tournament was so much freaking fun, man. My opponent is playing definitely not what you would call a typical chess player. It's amazing to me that he's 1500, but you know what? He might be like real tactical. You know what I mean? Where like things could get goofy. So we'll see. Where can my queen go anywhere looking good? E6 is a weak square, right? Well, that kind of does drop this pawn. I'm going to play this move. He's going to play H5. It's the best move. Oh, I wanted to take with my queen and I can't. Okay, well, he opens it up at least. Just come back. Defend the pawn. I'd love to get this moving, but I just can't. Maybe I can. John Bailey, thanks for liking. Bob Anderson, welcome back, man. Zach Stone, Sear, Carmine, La Senza. Welcome back, Carmine. Hope your day's going good. Yeah, so this funny thing happened with my scrolling weekly stars. I don't know where it went. I don't know where it is. It's like I can't make it small enough. It's just... I'm gonna have to like redo that, I guess. I can redo it. It won't be the end of the world for me. Okay, yeah, that's not a bad move. And I've totally actually opened up all this business. Which is good. I really gave him this. I shouldn't even have to be thinking about this. Yeah, but he's 15-11. Hey, Tim Whedon, thank you for the 99, man, for the 99 stars. I appreciate it, brother. Thanks for supporting the stream. Tucker Thompson, great name. Tony is here. Tony Gold and Yon Perez. Thank you guys for the likes, right? I looked at this. He should take here, but that's going to close his... Oh, he can't. He has to take this way. I didn't really see that. I can push the pawn on the queen, or he can take my bishop, and I have knight check. Takes with the queen. Okay. Attacking e6. If he wants to attack this, he's going to have to open up the center with his king in the middle of the board, right? Which might not be good. Anthony Pettigrew says, what do you do to get better besides playing? Well, I'll tell you what I do. When I have a game that I think I can learn from, which you can actually learn from every game you ever play, I go over the game. I go look at it. And I see what moves I could have done better. I'll also kind of go over the opening. You're going to really play knight back here if he plays king f7 to threaten the fork. Well, it depends on what you mean by ranked player, not technically. Anthony, I also watch videos. You can watch videos on anything. If I keep losing to a Grand Prix attack in a Sicilian or something, I'll just go watch a video called How to Beat the Grand Prix Attack. You know what I'm saying? And get some ideas. Bring them back to the game. 1511 hype, Charlie? Yeah, maybe. Carrington Connolly says, I picked up a great book and haven't been reading it. Oh, and have been reading it. Really opened my eyes. How to Reassess Your Chess 4th edition. Carrington, I'm telling you something. That book, I was third most improved in the Southern California Chess Federation one year. It might have been second, but I don't want to exaggerate. It was second or third. I gained 200 real United States Chess Federation points in 1 year. And that was not when I started playing. When my first rating was 1,400, then probably over about who knows how long, I got up to 1,550. And I could pretty much almost say that the biggest reason I can remember was that book, How to Reassess Your Chess. And then Tony asks if I'm a ranked player. Well, in the United States Chess Federation, I'm what you call an A player. I've been 6 points away from having a title of expert, and then I lost some points, and then after a while after that, I stopped playing. But I had knight check, just winning an exchange. Still there. No, it's not, because it's not there anymore. Darn it! I blew it, guys. I freaking had knight check. Can't take, though. I just really have nothing good to do. If my knight moved, which it can't because then I don't have my fork anymore. If I do nothing, he's just gonna develop his knight. My USCF rating right now is 1834 or something. I just lost rating points in every tournament because I would not go play. I wouldn't study, and I didn't play consistently. And so I'd randomly go, hey, I'm going to go play a rated chess tournament. That's not smart. And then I just lose points. Jonathan Azuela, and Brian Carbajal, Charlie Ketrone, Anthony Ruhr, thank you guys for the likes. I can totally do it. Charlie Lote says, Charlie, your streams are awesome.
Charlie, your streams are awesome.
Oh, I'll let them
I
read
have
it.
never played chess until watching your streams. And now I am playing for a few hours a day. So much to learn, but so enjoyable. Thank you.
Oh, man, Mike Lotes. Thank you, man. Kind words, man, and I'm so happy for you, dude. Charlie Keaton says, hi, had a great weekend playing chess with my dad and even got to teach my daughter how to play, and we played a few games with her too. That's awesome. How old's your daughter, Charlie? I want everything where it is the problem, but I don't have enough threats to do anything. Okay, let's do this. Now I can threaten the check. That's so nice, Mike. Dig it. Michael Kinnear has liked. Thank you, Michael Kinnear. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for coming in and hanging out. Guys, the reason why is that here's why I'm not winning this game already. Because I had this night check and I didn't play it. You can take with the king. And I could come in and really, I don't know what it does. I'm gonna play queen c3, threatening this move right here. And knight can still come in. Someone behind me? She's 16, that's awesome, man. That is awesome. Oh, I should have just stayed on this square. Well, no, this might be better. But I have this idea now. Knight G5. Charlie Keatron gave me 50 stars. Charlie, thank you. And Jefferson Starseed has liked. I believe you're new, Jefferson. I don't remember the name Starseed. Thank you for coming in, man. Welcome to my stream. What book did you say really helped you? It was the book that Carrington's reading right now. How to Reassess Your Chess by Jeremy Silman. I think it's in the 4th edition right now. I guarantee I read the first one. Changing gears to this square. Yeah. I have never tried shogi, John. No. We have a fork. And then I'm going to still get all over e6 like nobody's business. Yeah, Anthony, I saw the fork, man. It's kind of nice. His queen has to move. Yeah, it's a little bit nasty. Okay, this square. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And then I can play a rook takes check and get. Now I'm winning even more material. So he has 2 pieces for the queen, but his king is in the middle of the board, guys. Like, I really don't even want to let his king out. You know what I'm saying? Out of the trouble he's in. Maybe queen check is best. Wait. Because where's my queen? Because then, if he goes to any of these squares, I can infiltrate. He's not going to be able to keep my queen out, I don't think. I like this move. Because the rook wasn't playing. Hey, Steve Bestry. Everything good is up, man. A fork emote, no kidding. Justin David Raymond said, other than your video on openings, do you know of any other ones that talk about the principles of why you're doing the opening that way and not just what the moves are? They do, man. I don't have videos like that, but there's a huge amount of content online on YouTube. Okay, let me see. I think I can play this square, threatening to come in, and all hell's gonna break loose. C5, I just take it because it's pinned. Oh, wait, though. C5. I don't like that move. I think I should infiltrate this way. Is better. Is better, yes? Because C5 takes, he can play knight c6 on my queen and covering the square, which is where I want to infiltrate. Right now, he can't cover the square. So yeah, man. Just what opening are you interested in? All you need to do is now. I just finished, so if someone sends me a challenge, I'm gonna take it. I don't see any, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll wait until the delay hits, and then I'll start the next game. So there's like say the French defense. These guys, they know that you need to know the ideas. So they don't just say memorize these moves. Okay, that's what people do out of opening books. Okay, I'm going in. So they explain the opening ideas. They do. They'll say you're playing this move specifically for these ideas. You're normally going to play on the queen side. These are your normal breaks, and this is how if you ever have a chance to play d5 in these types of positions, that's your goal. They do. You can totally learn. Carrington says it's a very complex book. I sit down and play overboard along with the book so I can play out the examples he gives that. So what I did, I learned so many themes in that book that come up in almost every game. Michael Kinnear says, enjoy the music. Thanks for inspiring me to play again. Helpful to hear the walkthrough of each move. Awesome, man. I'm going to play c5. Or if you want to play me, when my game's over, send me a challenge. Okay? That's how you could play me. You like the Grob's attack. Yeah, you know what? I never learned that. I learned a defense against it, which I don't remember anymore. But I had a line for the Grob attack. Derek Franklin says, dude, your stream is rekindled my love for chess. Dude, that's awesome, man. It never went away, bro. It never went away. Your life took you somewhere else. But it's okay. It's okay if you come back. Keep in moderation, too. Because people have spent a lot of time on chess. It can be addicting, man. Yeah, these are, Evan. This is my music. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and turn my bot on like I was supposed to. And then if you can type !chillbot for commands for my chat bot, or you can type !music to find out where to get a hold of my music. What do I play here? Who comes up with the names for the moves? You mean like the openings? That's just kind of a... Well, for instance, there's a lot of ways. Like the Stafford Gambit you might have heard of. I guarantee that's named after someone who used to play it, right? The Urasov Gambit is probably by a guy named Urasov who started or was the main champion of it, right? Queen's Gambit, King's Gambit, you're gambiting the King's Pawn, Queen Pawn. Bishop's opening, the Bishop comes out. The French opening, maybe that from when it very first started, maybe it came out of France. And some of the top players from France were playing it, so they called it the French. I don't know, but I'm saying that it's pretty simple with the names. Stephen Bestry, my name again is Rosewood Telly. I'll type it here for you. ROSEWOODTELE. And I've realized that that's something I answer a lot. And so I need to put that in my Chillbot so I can just tell you. Type chess.com account or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So you can find me. Wooden Stratosphere Bill. Corey Stewart says, yeah, the Grob's attack is one of those openings that can either be a great move or if your opponent knows it can get dicey, quick. Yeah, absolutely. Federico Quiones, man. Welcome, guys. I'm trying to drink the water. Zasha Sunday. I love the name Sunday. Today's Sunday. Raj Sharma said, LOL, it didn't recognize me saying, good evening. I see how it is. I think I might No other reason. Even last time you didn't mind saying hello. Honestly, I just watched because I used to play chess a lot, but I'm just getting back to it. Awesome, Raj. If I miss you saying hello, forgive me. I'm playing chess. I'm scrolling. There you are. Good evening from the prairies. I see you, Raj. And that was right under Carrington when I talked about her book. Michael, so good evening, Raj. Thank you. Michael Kinnear says, enjoy the music. Thanks for inspiring me to play again. Hopefully to hear the walkthrough of each move. Helpful to hear the walkthrough of each move. John Bailey said one of my first 2 games today, but I made quite a few mistakes. I need to learn a lot more about how to set up for different types of plays. Yeah, man, there's a lot to this game, man. There's so much to this stinking game. It's amazing. That's what I love about it, though. Okay, so now I play Queen C7. I'm gonna play a dragon. John Morton says, I have no money, but hey, dude, your game is strong. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, am I losing something here? E5 is a move. That tells me I've made a huge mistake. Okay, well now E5 I just take, so I'm going to go ahead and get castled as quick as I can. Hamza's back. Welcome, Hamza. And Adam Chocolate Wasted Cummings. I love the name. I know you. I remember you. I just still love the name. Manny Morango is liked. Thank you, guys. What are the main opening strategies you play? Well, sometimes I'll play a little bit gambit-y kind of style. Lately, I've just been trying to play good, solid openings. And to get decent positions. Matthew Zachariah says, just added you, but I'm absolutely horrible at chess. Wouldn't want to play you during one of your streams. Ha ha ha. You know, chess is not about, well, it is about winning. But when you first start chess, you're going to suck. And the only way to get better is to play and to study. So don't feel bad about losing. But I mean, I play a lot of Sicilians, and I'll study these lines sometimes. I like to play the Bishop's opening. Hey, new to the stream, brother. Brandon Lewin said, what's your record online? I don't know what my record is online. I don't know. Adam says, stream is growing. Nice, buddy. Yeah, dude, it is growing, man. It's going freaking crazy. It's going crazy, and I freaking love it. We're having fun, and we're getting to play chess, man. We're spreading the word of chess. You know what I'm saying? Freaking love it. Let me see. Just develop, I guess. Maybe Queen C7. Frederico Chione said, sup man, like to watch you play and your chill side philosophy. It is relaxing. There's a lot of crazy in this world. I should know, and you give us the don't worry, be happy mood. Yeah, that's exactly how I'm feeling, dude. And Raj said, oh, I apologize, man. Nah, because a lot of people don't trust Indian people. What? Because a lot of scams are carried out from my home country, or even if people who don't know that kind of stuff, they'll just add people over seas and start asking for stuff. But I'm personally from Manitoba, Canada. Yeah. No, Raj. We talked about this the other day on stream. I don't dislike anybody that I don't know. Okay? All I know about you is you came in and said hi to me. So you're okay. If you ask me for something, it depends on what it is. You want me to explain some about chess? I probably would say yes and give that to you, right? I'm not worried about scammers, and I don't judge people by the ethnicity of their name, okay? You get the wrong guy. That's actually what I love about Facebook gaming. Where does this freaking bishop go? Where does this bishop go? Does it go here? I see the discovery on this, but what does it do? How about D5? I'm going to play D5 and just say I'm good. Matthew Zachariah says, luckily I spent more time playing piano than chess. Yeah, but there's still time. Yeah, I wish I would have spent some time on piano. Tucker Thompson, is there a ranking system to play in bigger chess tournaments? Or can anyone join any major tournaments? Well, a lot of tournaments are invitation only. Back in the day, and I'm sure they're the same now, you'd have to have a FIDE rating to play in these tournaments. So you can't just join one of these tournaments. They have open tournaments like the US Open. That's a strong tournament. Going to be a lot of grandmasters there. Probably cost you these days, I bet it's $150, $200 to enter. And you can go. You can join big tournaments. That's United States. I don't know what exactly where you are. I don't know I still don't know where to put this bishop. I have knight g4, pawn takes, bishop takes this knight, bishop takes, queen takes. All I do is mess his pawns up, get rid of my dark squared bishop. Is it good? Does it feel good? I believe I'm going to play this weird move because I don't know where to put it. You'll find Federico on spelling, man. I'm not the spelling police. When I know what you mean, that's good enough. And if I don't know, I'll ask you. Carrington said, if this many people are coming to the stream every night, I'm even more excited for the next tournament. That next week going to be huge. That's right, guys. Wednesday night, 6 p.m. Central Time, Texas time. You want to join the Chess Chillers? Let me show you right here. I'm going to show you some links. I'm just going to type ! links. And there will be a link for the Chess Chillers on chess.com. Get on chess.com, get your account. It's free if you don't have it. You should have one if you care. If you just want to play chess at all, do it. It's free. And then we'll have a tournament Wednesday night. We just had one. It was so much fun. It really brought the community together. We already have a group of people who have a blast, and we just had more fun playing each other and laughing, and everyone was so polite. It's very, this is just so non-toxic, man, and we're keeping it that way. Laura Bonner says, sometimes you have to become a USCF member. There might be a fee for that, but I don't know these days. I'm sure there is, because they got to pay the bills, man. Scott Armstrong, thanks for the like. Andrew Mike Cross, Dylan Price, Rich Cook, and Rocam all liked. John Morton, thanks for the like. No, that wouldn't have been a good move, because taking the horse with my queen, because bishop takes and I lose material. I almost feel like this is the move, even though these pawns are kind of way out there in loony land. I just feel like it is, man. He pre-moved the knight, and so I'm taking it. Oh. That was lag or something. There was lag there, guys. That knight... What happened? I thought his knight was on e2 when I played this move. When I played e5. Weird. This might be a noob question. It might be a noob question, but that's okay. What's the deal with getting a kind castles. Why does the rook move on its own? Is it an accepted quality of life, or are there more moves in chess where a piece would behave out of its usual movement? Well, taking en passant, right? Like, for instance, if I have a pawn on this square, and this pawn jumps forward 2 squares, I can take. I have to do it right after. This pawn can't have moved. That's it. Yeah, that's en passant. That's a weird. That and castling, I think, are the weird things in chess. The only weird moves. So this, the chess chillers, man. You see that link right there? The first one, I think it is. You want to go there and join the chess chillers? You'll be all set. Get here a little early. Alex Slade, Thor Bonner. Thank you guys for the likes. And we're gonna have a freaking blast, man. We had a really good time last week, and I can't wait for the next one. Do you like Indian food or something? Still have to try. I have to say though, a proper Indian food dinner, I'm gonna say probably not. No, nope. I think he's losing a piece here, right, guys? Because where can the knight move? He has 2 squares back from where he came from, and F3. If he comes to F3 right here, this blinking square, I fork with the pawn, right? If he comes back to E2, I push my pawn, and now this bishop is trapped. It has nowhere to go. So, I think he's losing a piece. Alex Xela says, how are you, man? Can you greet my wife? Happy birthday, Ivymar Koyoka. Ivymar, am I saying that right? I hope I'm saying that right. Ivymar Koyoka, happy birthday. Happy birthday, man. You have a good husband. He wants to give you a shout out. Yeah, man, that's great. I hope you're having a great birthday. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. It's nothing, man. Okay, so he sacks the knight because he knew he was going to lose a pawn. Do I have a better move? I don't think so. Square could get hairy. Could cut the bishop off and attack this square. That really opens us up. But I could also play... Oh, he's on my rook. He's on my rook. Just can't give up an exchange. Gotta defend my rook. Could you have moved the queen to take 2G and have bishop protect? Yeah, absolutely. It's an idea. No, I'm looking at this all day long. As a matter of fact, I would have just done that if this threat wasn't real. But I don't want to give up I could do it and let him take and push, but then he'll just stop it and he won an exchange. We'll jump into this spot now to have the threat, although it doesn't mean that we're going to pull it off. It also protects my queen on C4. That's it, man. I'm doing great, dude. We played a winery today with the full band. We had a freaking blast. It was cool. The gig went well. And that's it, man. We were just talking about the tournament Wednesday and how we're excited about this Wednesday. I'm getting people, giving them the chillers link, so we're going to get ready to, so it can be geared up and ready to go. I'm having very odd games plays F3. Okay, good. Now I have checks. I have dark squares. Is this even a thought? It is. It is a thought. This pawn is unprotected. This move will protect it. This rook's not playing. I don't think this file is opening. I think I'm still going to be able to attack these dark squares. So you know what I think I might do? This. Bring my last player into the game. Yeah, it was free. Did I leave it hanging before? Yep, I did. Yeah, that would have been... No. My queen's protecting it. Oh, yeah, I hung it. He could have taken it here. You're right. Oh, bad tactics. Bad tactics, Charlie. Ryan, okay. We'll start there with the, I think most people can appreciate that comment, but we're keeping it very family friendly today. Okay? What kind of band am I in? I am in a band. We do a lot of covers. That's why I can hardly ever stream it. But the other day, we played a bunch of, for my supporters only. I'm looking at maybe this square. We have original songs too. And we play like, I do a lot of country music. I love country music. And we do rock and blues and some pop kind of stuff. You know, it's a cover band, mostly a cover band. But we don't like learn the songs exactly like the record. We just kind of do what we want to do. You know what I'm saying? We have a rule in our band. Like the rule is, you can do whatever you freaking want. But in order to do that, you have to trust the people you're playing music with, right? Like my girlfriend back here, I trust her. I'm not worried about her musically. If she does whatever she wants, it's going to be better than if she doesn't. Okay? My drummer, I say my drummer, the drummer in our band and the bass player in our band, we can all do whatever we want, but we're all kind of on the same musical page. And so we all can kind of flow and jam and vibe. And it's great. It's great. My amp. Thank you, Ryan. Ryan, see? Guys, you see that? He says I love big breasts. And I said, hey man, keep it clean, man. Keep it nice. He says, okay. That's a nice interaction. So, oh, yeah, no. She's already shown herself. She doesn't need to show herself right now. She's busy reading a book. My amp is I use a Fender Twin Reverb. Well, I have that, but I use a Deluxe Reverb. 1974. It was practically given to me. This wins something, right? It's a really nice amp, a 74 Deluxe Reverb, and it's modified, man. It's modified. John Bailey says I play the guitar too, but I have a hard time with timing. He takes. Okay, now this bishop is hanging. He can take on my pawn. Attack the queen. And there's still no check, and I'm attacking the queen. Can I get two bishops for the rook, maybe? Rod says, you're from the United States of America? I assume. I am. I'm in Texas. And Brad Richardson says, do you have any skills you'd recommend for someone just starting out? I don't, man. You know, I'm really not like a scales guy. Hit the queen again, I guess. I wanted it to come in on the dark squares anyway. And then I'll probably rip this. My queen defends laterally, I'm fine. Okay, that move is a move. It's a real move, guys. Oh, he's threatening mate, though. Oh, he's threatening mate in my knight, guys. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh, this defends mate. It defends it. I'm like, I freaking lost. I thought I lost, guys. He's going for the same move I told you. Yeah, Khalil. Pentatonic is the main one you need. That's right. You are right. Or that's the beginning scale everyone learns, and it's a great place to start. It's very fortunate that this covered this, guys, because otherwise I was in trouble. Ryan Fair says, this site is so good. I'm horrible at chess, just learning. Dude, so am I. You might think, no, you're not, you're good. It's all relative. You might think I'm good. There are people in the chat right now, they might not say I'm horrible because they're nice people. They'll beat me. They'll beat me every freaking game. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we have successfully won a piece. And we still have the race. The bat race. Ooh, let's play king over and attack this square again. That'd be kind of fun. You have to watch dark square checks though, because they could be a hassle. Finally watching live. What's up, bro? Michael Pierce. That's not my Michael Pierce. Priest. Michael Priest. I'm sorry. I have a nephew named Michael Pierce. Raj says, nailed it. I was actually thinking you're from Dallas area or somewhere. Yeah, you're pretty close, man. Well, I'm actually from California, so I don't know if I have a definite Texas accent, but hey, man, if y'all think I do, then I sure do appreciate this mighty kind. He resigned. Okay, the game's over. I'm going to catch up on chat real quick, and if there's a 15-10 challenge, I'm going to take it. If not, we're going to move on. Yeah, so Michael Priest, what, you saw some replays? I'm glad you got here live, man. Glad you got here live. I see you have a beautiful dog. I just mouse over your name on this, and I can see your picture. Michael, what's your dog's name, man? John Bailey says, I figured you use a tube amp. I prefer a Fender Mustang 120. It's a modeling amp. Yep. Those are really cool for, thank you, David. Thank you. Okay, guys, here we go. We have a follower, Checkmate 4283. Who is this, by the way? Justin Rooks loves watching and learning. You know what? I love watching and learning and playing too. Omar Ray, what's up, dude? Calls me Youngblood. Michael Priest, back to Michael. He says, yeah, man, been watching your streams for a little bit. My dog's name is Duke. Great name for a dog, man. Duke. Omar, you missed me? Well, I'm back now, brother. We got this. Good to see you. Thor. Okay, this is Thor, guys. Good luck, man. New fan this week. Great. E4, we will play C5. I think we're 2 for 2 right now. The first game, I have to say, was kind of given to me. I'm not gonna lie, the guy really, really played oddly in the first game. Second game, the guy played better. But I didn't think he understood what he needed to do on the white side of a Sicilian. And he probably learned, the first 5 moves or something. And hey, that's a way to start. Joe Freaktus has liked, and Patrick Lee has liked. Thank you, guys. Omar, thanks for the like. And Michael, thank you. Good luck to you and Duke, man. David Bassett, thanks for the like. Andrew Bryan's here. How you doing, man? Tim Burke's here. Thor Bonner says, good luck, man. New fan this week. That's awesome, man. Night of 3, we played D6, right? Hey, buddy, I'm 1680 rating, but it's hard to stay in that rating. Dude, it's hard to stay in every rating, man. You gotta stay on your toes and you gotta work. But you know what? You'll get better. You'll pass it. Ray says, anyone in this chat who's into heavy duty as in semi-tractors? You mean like working on them? Raj? Luis Suarez, thanks for the like. And Joe Lanigan, thanks for the like. Hey, you guys, if you like what you see, follow the stream, exclam notify. We got a follower goal. And I know there's new people here. And even if you guys do follow, you guys remember, find the notification bell and click that. Because a lot of people want to come. If you want to be here when I stream, follow and get the notification bell. People say, Charlie, I didn't get the notification. I missed your stream. It's like, it's Facebook, man. I want you all here. I want you all to be able to be here while we're live. Thank God for the replays, right? Kyle Avery is liked. And Razul Karim has followed, man. Thank you. I want to look at our follower goal. And look at that. My top weekly stars is jacked up. What the heck is going on with that, man? Top weekly stars, scroll weekly stars. Understand? Maybe I have to update it or something. You know that? I might have to update it. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're just huge. Okay, I can make a move. 19.3, you play A6, right? Okay, I'm gonna fix my top weekly stars now because, wait. Top weekly stars, scroll weekly stars, back to this, bring this over. This thing got made like really huge and I don't know why. Okay, he's still thinking. Your music is pretty dope too, Thorbonner says, thank you, man. I'm a music teacher and love what you're doing. Thank you, man. You could teach me some music. David Bassett, a supporter, asks, how much does it cost to become a subscriber? Well, it's $5. It's $5 a month. You get access to exclusive content, which includes supporter-only streams where I play supporters only. And we're going to be doing some supporter-only chess lessons for the lower rated beginner guys that I can really help. I can just teach you simple things that will... I just like this move so much, man. But I'm not going to do it. That can help you improve, man. Also, I go live with my band sometimes, and you can see me play live music. I play only original music that's not copywritten. We won't get a strikes or anything like that. There's a little badge, man. There's a little supporter badge. See the supporter badge? Click that. Our goal is set at 31. We have 31, and we need 4 more in the next 23 hours to reach that goal. I think we can get it. We got like 4 last night, I think, right? There's a supporter button. If you look, you'll see a little button. It's kind of I need to get an icon for that. Well, okay. Do you see the little badge on David Bassett's name? It's shaped like that. Supporter. Look for that. You can find it and click on it. He's still thinking, thank goodness. And I'm over here trying to make this world's largest window. Maybe I can make this bigger for a minute. Plays F3. Hey, man, support. You know, I've played that before, man. I've played that kind of thing before in positions like this. I'm like, I want to defend the E4 pawn. I don't want to worry about it. Are you figuring out, Ryan? You could maybe Google it, but it's the I don't know how else to say it other than supporter badge. Are you watching on a computer or a mobile device? Bishop E3 is a good move. That's why he played F3. I'm cool with that. There he goes. I think that might have been him. He might have figured it out. We're gonna play knight E7. There we go. Ryan Ferris. Thank you, man. You're number 32, and I appreciate it. Now, Ryan, let me tell you, if you go to the page, now you have a supporter badge. If you go to my page, don't do it now. Stay with us and hang out. When it's over, go to my page and scroll, and you'll see supporter-only videos. There's one from a couple days ago. You get to see me play with my band and my girlfriend. You get to hear her sing, and you get to see me play. Is it more than 32? I think it was 31. I thought I checked it. You might be right though, David. I'm not 1,000% sure. Okay. Queen D2. Do we now? We can't play B5 yet because of knight C6, and he gets this bishop that's pretty important. So we are going to play Queen C7. Yeah, welcome, Ryan. You're a supporter now, man. And like when I did a 12-hour stream when I got 1,000 followers. And there's like a pregame show where I went live just for the supporters, showed them all my music equipment, how I was getting everything set up, showed them my food. I think I showed my food. I just showed all the stuff, all the behind the scenes kind of stuff. Now that the bishop isn't on c4 especially, I really am not scared to play b5. You are going to dominate a chess, Ryan, with that attitude. I bet you will. Bet you will. But I'll tell you this. Wanting it isn't enough. You're going to have to do a lot of work, brother. You want to dominate at chess. Mon Chaotic is liked. Yeah, thanks, Ryan, for joining the club, man. You are playing the black side of this, Nadorf. Perfectly. Thank you, David. Yep, up to these points, I think I should. Oh, but you're talking like move order and stuff. Yeah, see, I'm starting to learn these little things, right? Like, you can't just play b5. And if his bishop was here, then there might be some of those options to sack. But with the bishop gone, I mean, he could do it if he wants. But it's not gonna. It's not. I think it works with the bishop, and that's not a bad move, especially since his king's not there. Now I think it's time I can castle. I'm safe. Okay, knight c5 is better than bishop b7. Oh man, because now the bishop gets away, huh? How about knight e5? I might play knight e5 then. Oh no, but then f4. Well, it doesn't matter. And then I could go this way and get the bishop this way. But the other way, knight c5, I could have taken the bishop and jacked his pawns up. Was that the idea? Yep. There are threats. Well, I can play d5. And that's what you play in a Sicilian when you can. e5 is not protected. So I think this is the freeing move, and this is like the equalizing move. So this is what I'm going to do. Moan Chaotic, welcome back, Moan. Yeah, I could have sacked on e6, right? I got you. I'd love to have you rip off some of these ideas, but the fact is, I just got to go. I don't even need you, David. I mean, I need you, but I don't need you. I could, okay, knight c5 is mostly played to stop the sack. Okay. I got you. I'll play knight takes. Oh, man. Wait a minute, though. Is he going to jack me pawns up? He is. This was not the right move. I couldn't play d5. That wasn't right. Oh, well. I am in a state of, isolated d-pawn. It's not a good state. No, I'm in the state of Texas. Ryan. Why am I not seeing any comments? I don't know, Mike. You should be able to. Is anyone else having that problem? I doubt it. Yeah, it was a mistake. I made a mistake. Nick Dar, man. I want to thank you for the stars. Thank you for the 50, man. Yeah, it was too early. Yeah, I need to bring a rook first. Thank you for the 50, Nick. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for supporting the stream. On knight f5, I'm playing bishop f6. Knight b6, and then to push d5. Got you, makes sense. He's stacking up on his pawn. He already could have. Wow, Jason Brown liked, and Charlie Keytron with the 50 stars. Thank you. Hey, Ava, welcome back, Ava and Cena. Nick and Jace. Oh, it's Jace. I'm sorry, Jace. Yes. Should we maybe... Charlie Keaton sent 200 stars. Thank you, Charlie. Or Ketron. I say Keaton, and I gotta put my glasses on until I learn all your names properly. Thank you, Charlie. I think this pawn... Well, I could defend it, but no. I don't need that kind of passivity in my life. And this knight Yeah, this is an idea. I think I'm going to bring a rook and try and get some counter-attacking possibilities going. Oh, but when he takes the pawn, he's going to have... attack on the square. Okay, I have 10 minutes. Let me just calm down. Charles Nicosia, thank you for the like, man. Nicholas Greenwald, thank you for the like. And Dusty Lampman, appreciate you guys. John Bailey says, when you move your king beside of your rook, isn't that called castling? It is, John. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Yeah, Dave, I'm already on this move. I wouldn't play it. I wouldn't play it. I think this probably does the same thing. That gives him f4 if he wants it. Also gives him a pin. So yeah, no, this is the move I'm looking at. And then on knight f5, maybe just go ahead and take the fork. He gets this with check, but that's okay. I'll take the fork and I'll be on this twice. That would actually be bad. You guys know that this guy is actually I don't know if he's watching the stream now or not, but I got him from the stream. So maybe I shouldn't be giving him all this analysis. This he's rated almost my same rating, so he doesn't need help. But maybe I shouldn't be saying too many ideas, but you know what? That's part of the fun. Jeffrey's here. Jeffrey Balacao, welcome back, Jeffrey. Always appreciate you coming in, Jeffrey. Is that just for defending your king? It is, John. It tucks your king back behind these pawns, and I'll tell you the other big thing it does. It lets this rook out because this rook is trapped over here. It lets the rook out so the rook can come into the game anywhere. It's like that's why in almost every game, castling is good. Stephen Bestry says, you hurt me to my soul. Why, Stephen? Oh, is this a slowed down Sublime song? No, it's not. Jace Brown says, it seems like you're having an off day. I hope your day gets better, Charlie. Wow, Jace, that is very, it's not intuitive because I'm having a great day. I even had a nap. If I wasn't okay, dude, I would totally tell you. I'd be like, yeah, man, kind of rough right now. I would be honest. That's why you guys are here. Is because you know I'm not full of baloney. You know what I'm saying? So I would totally tell you, dude, I'm in a great spot, man. My girlfriend's here. We had a great gig today playing music. I got work in front of me. I got work tomorrow. I'm streaming right now. I'm having a blast. Yeah, and David just brought up a point. What David said. David's a master, and he said, David says, connecting your rooks is of paramount importance in chess when you're learning the openings. See, connecting your rooks. See these rooks, they're connected. And you connect them by moving all your pieces out, finding a safe place for your queen. Well, castle first, usually. And then find a safe place for your queen. And then my rooks are connected. And that is huge. And he just said paramount importance. It's a move. I'm not gonna look at chat. I'm gonna figure this move out first. Figure the move out first. An idea. Well, yeah, my knight's protecting the square for now. I don't want to leave that bishop there. My bishop's unprotected, right? See, this bishop's not protected. And I really don't want his bishop raking down. I have a weak pawn, so I might want to keep more pieces on. That's the only thing. So I'm looking, can I attack something? And I can't, because everything's protected in this position. I don't want to come here to c4 because that's where my knight wants to go. I don't want to put it on a passive spot. This is kind of a weird square for now. Not really afraid of knight f5. I'll just play maybe queen f6 or something. This pawn's still protected. I think I'm going to play this move right here. Hope it doesn't lose. Yeah, no, she's not making any personal appearances tonight, Orion, okay? She comes on stream sometimes, though. If you go back and look, you can find her. She sings in the music video. Stephen Bastry says, yeah, you're feeling good. Your hair isn't in a t-shirt. Yeah, that's right, Stephen. You remember that? You were here that day, huh? You like preventing knight f5? Yeah. I don't know, man. I guess I could have played instead queen d7. Would have been an idea. Andrew Brown wants to play next, bro. My chess game is unknown. Your name is unknown 1986. Andrew, you're up next. I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste that, and I'm gonna send it to you. But if I send it and you don't accept it, or you don't send me one, it's got to be 1510. Then I'm gonna start another game because I'm not sitting around too long. Why not challenge queen c4? Well, I could have played queen c4. It's an idea, but I didn't want to. I want to play my knight here. There's a fork here at the end too. Well, nah, we'll talk about that later. I think it's because if he plays c4, he loses queen and king for a queen. Can't wait to see that. Cool. Okay, so plays. Okay, so now my knight can come and do a nice square. Undefending. I think. And I will be on. I'm hitting the queen, and I'm hitting this pawn. So I'm making that move maybe a little premature, but I wanted to get it in there. You ever try to kick it? Knight a3. John Bailey says, my problem is I don't see the other person move. Oh man. Till they take my piece and put myself in a rough position. John, let me tell you a trick for that, okay? Hey, John Paul Atencio, shout out, dude. Welcome. So, every time your opponent makes a move, ask yourself, what does he threaten? And if you do that, you will never get caught with your pants down. You'll still lose. You can still lose, but you won't be dropping any material. You know what I'm saying? You like queen f4? Yeah, no, it's an idea. I'm already looking at it, but I'm not doing it yet. I want to rook here first, and then I'm looking at that move. It's a possibility. He can probably just kick me. With this move if he wants. I think at this point I'm going to very calmly make left. Now, David told me a long time ago, very often to make left, g6 is a better move than h6. I would normally just always play this, but he told me this. Remember when you told me that, David? Thank you, David. And David, remember you told me g6 is a better way to make left? In this position, I'm thinking it's probably a good way to make left because it keeps the knight at f5. So I'm making left this way. That's my friend David teaching me how to play chess, guys. It's like In this position, I think it's way better than h6. His queen, my queen's better than his. Now, there's weak squares here. He's not attacking them. I'm fine. It depends on the minor piece in the game. The minor, yeah, right. Well, yeah. For instance, no dark squared bishop, right? Yeah, I'm worried about that a lot. That knight actually, yeah. So if this was like a white bishop instead of a knight, this would be like probably a lot safer. But this knight could maybe, take advantage. But I got a queen. I'm fine. Okay, I'll accept it on my phone, Andrew. Let me go to chess.com. I don't see you, man. I didn't see that name that you typed. Not yet. But we'll see. Ooh, did someone call me? Ooh, my brother called me. My freaking brother called me. I'm a bad brother. I do not see hot dog. It wasn't hot dogs. What was your name, man? I have it copied. I just got to paste it. Okay. This is a good move. He wants to double up the rooks. And I need to not allow that. So maybe I take like king f8. I'm not looking at chat because I want to do this myself. Lois Kane, thanks for the like. Joshua. Abdul Latif. Thank you guys for the likes. Eric Bunting, thanks for the follow, man. Josh Hitchens, thanks for the follow. Adrian Guards, thank you for the follow. Yeah, man. Indigo Joe, I love that name, man. Thanks for the like. And John Barrell. James Laycock is back. Welcome back, James. Victor Avelina was liked. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all the wonderful reactions. Now, is this a dumb move, man? If rook takes, knight takes? And then he can't contest the file. I don't know if it really does anything, though. It looks artificial, man. Because what if knight takes? So what? I still think I almost like it better. It doesn't let him double up, and then I can bring I can get back on the file. No, but then he could just play he could just attack my knight, move my knight, and then bring the rook, but then I bring the other rook. I don't know, I gotta move. I'm down to 4 minutes. Lois says, hey, Charlie and the Chillers. John Bailey says, it took me 125 moves. They keep moving their king around, and I finally trapped them with my pawn turned into a queen and his bishop. Rook, I won, but I didn't get to take their king. What is that called where a game ends like that? A stalemate? Was it a draw? A stalemate is a draw. Nicholas said, good call. What did you do again? Ooh, I think I missed some comments. The next tournament is Wednesday evening. Jensen Figueroa Haywood says, what's up? Yeah, I want to double mine, but I have this move, right? And if rook takes, I take his queen. And if he moves his queen... Oh, he could get on this rook, though. No. Yes, he can. God, it feels so good. I thought I could do this, man. Okay, I have to look at this move and see if this wins. It does because of the checkmate. No, it doesn't. Because I have to play takes. Oh, I can't come here anyway. What am I thinking? I was thinking I had already, he took and I had already taken back. We're just gonna go ahead and come here. I'm analyzing like ghost positions that don't even exist. Unknown 1986. Okay, great. Yeah, I will. I'll get you, Andrew. I'll get you, Andrew. And it might have popped by now. We'll see. I get my notifications for my friend requests. I have none, man. It's weird. But I've got your name copy and pasted. I'll add you. It's no problem. Next tournament is Wednesday, same time. A week later. It's Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Time. Oh, okay. Nicholas Greenwald says, I like this setup. Double rooks and you're defended right. Good call, though. What do you do again? Good call. Oh, I'm not sure what do I do again? You mean for work? I play music and I do upholstery also. Furniture upholstery. Bring the rook to h5. Dude, that's a threat, man. Rook h5 is a real threat. And what it does is it will induce a weakness to stop the checkmate, but doesn't work in this position because rook takes rook check. Jose Lugo's liked. Thank you, Jose. Welcome back, man. Adrian Garza. Yep, this is a threat because of the mate. But if rook takes, queen takes, right? And you still can't take the knight because of the mate. Andrew says, heads up, I move very fast no matter the time control. That's fine, man. That's fine. And you know, heads up, I stream. So I might have an obvious move and I might stop and read an alert. So, you know, thanks for the heads up, Andrew. Saad Shabir and Adrian Langford. Thank you guys for the likes. Lance says, beat the knight, move bottom rook for 2 spots. Well, that's baiting, all right, but that's like, you don't bait with like the game. I'll just lose. He'll just play knight takes rook, right? I don't think that's a move. Tyler Keshevska has liked. Thank you, Tyler. Welcome to the stream. If you're new, you want to hit follow. My name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. We do this every day. We got a tournament coming up on Wednesday. It's going to be a blast. The last one was so much fun. Christian Markham, thank you for the like. You guys know how to follow, but if you like what you see, don't forget to follow, okay? We have fun. We learn. We have strong players here. We have weak players here. We have all levels. And I'm somewhere toward the bottom side, but I'm getting better. King over. What a move, man. Does this not work now? Oh, well, I don't have this move. I keep thinking my knight can go diagonal to this square. I want to put it there so bad. Do we make the gun? He could fork on c6, but what does it do? Rook takes, knight takes, queen, check. Doesn't work. So we can't make the gun. Okay. He's playing a good game, guys. He's playing a good game. No. Oh, no, man. Yeah, I guess it is. It was there before. But if I play knight takes b2, rook takes rook, rook takes rook, rook takes rook, queen takes rook, queen takes b2, queen checkmate. So the threat is still there. Because, okay, let me be sure I can do it, and then I'll see if I can take the pawn. And if I do, then I might be able to come to this magical square I've been looking at all game. Knight b2, is there anything else? He cannot play rook takes b2 because of because of rook takes e1 check. Knight b2, can he attack my queen? Not really. Yeah, I think I can win the pawn, guys. I think the tactics work because the queen comes last, and it's still checkmate. He played king over to slow the checkmate down, right? I'm taking it. And hopefully this works. Now I have 1 minute and 12 seconds, so I didn't think I analyzed it properly, but if I lose something here, it's my own fault. Nana Sacha Balahai has liked. Thank you. And Ryan Teepin, man, how you doing, dude? Welcome to the stream, guys. Yeah. I've been wanting to do this. I've been wanting to play my knight diagonally one square for like the last 3 moves. I analyzed it once. That's how bad at chess I am. It's okay though. I'm getting better. Takes, great. He attacks my queen to try and stop my queen from this checkmate idea. I can just take this pawn and defend my knight. Hey, Mix, thank you, man. Christian Markham says he's doing it. Maybe we'll stop and think now. Mex, thanks for being here, dude. Guys, 105 viewers. I needed the 100 concurrent viewers, man. And I got it. Now, I think I take. Knight takes. Knight here, and I want a pawn. I get passers. And I'm low on time. Is there anything better? F6. And then if queen takes, queen, pawn takes, and my pawn's... You know what? I don't think so, because I don't want to let him not trade queens. Yeah, man, this is called Stream Rock, man. I made this myself. I gotta move quick, guys. I gotta move quick. Wait. This square? Or this square? I think I might have just made Grandmaster move. Yeah, I got you, Andrew. No, you're next, man. Yeah, guys, we got the 100 concurrent viewers, man. That is freaking awesome. Thank you guys for being here, man. That's a milestone. It's just, it was only a matter of time, man, but it happened. 50 stars from John Bailey. Thank you, man. I got to really watch the board, too. Brian, man, you make me feel good. You tell me you like my song, man. It's called Stream Rock. Oh. Wait a minute. What did I do? I thought I was so smart. I totally blew that, man. Now I gave his king a freaking tempo. Okay. What did I analyze? Let's just force his king to the edge of the board. His knight, I mean. I gotta pick up some more time. I'm gonna lose this game. Stan Reynolds, thanks for the follow, man. Whitney, Conrad Clayton Whitney's here. And by the way, Kyle donated $5 on Venmo yesterday, and he is on the list now on the top Venmo donations. Yeah, man, this is my music, man. It's 16 music. It plays on a loop, and I think I played this to keep his king out, right? And my girlfriend's really pushing me to make more music, guys, and I will. Now, I think all this is okay. I think he's going to run out of moves. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, there's like 4 songs. If you type exclam music, Loop the Pumpkins. What does that mean, Ryan? You like King C5 better? Well, he's going to run out of moves. And I kind of wanted to induce this. But you're probably right. I'm not going to say it wasn't. Khalid is here. Khalid. And Tyson Beswick is back. Thank you for the likes. And Swarathesh Adanki. Swarathesh, welcome back, man. Appreciate you, dude. Knight C5 checks an idea, but he just takes this pawn. Okay, now I think I just lock this up. And he's the one that's going to run out of moves, not me. Okay, that's a move. I think I will play this move now. No, maybe not. Oh gosh, guys. Okay, I want to defend my pawn. And then I think, yeah, he has to go back. Andrew's like, no. Hey, man, I can't watch chat right now, guys. I can't watch chat because you're saying too many moves. And I want to do this myself. Thing is, he has no moves. He has no moves. This pawn is falling. Tanner McMillan says, I watched one of your streams and immediately downloaded a chess app and watched about an hour of YouTube. LOL, your stream was inspirational. Tanner, thank you, man. That makes me feel really good. Good game, man. Okay, now I'm going to play. I'm going to find somebody right here and make friends with him. Andrew is he comes to the stream. Yay. Add friend. Okay, and then I'm going to try and find him here. I added you, Andrew. I don't see a challenge yet. So now you got to accept it. Unless you typed it wrong, Andrew. Did you type it? Did you type it wrong, Andrew? Thank you. Did you type that wrong, Andrew? Did I just make friends with someone else? I mean, it doesn't look like a bad guy. I don't see anything else. Any other friend requests, Andrew? Nope, we're good. Wait for Andrew, man. But I see no. Oh, here we go. There he is. Accept. Okay, guys. This is Andrew. He's a good player. He's rated almost 100 points higher than me. He seems to know the right move in almost every position. So we'll see how the game goes. Got you, dude. Good luck, Andrew. Why no? The game's up, man. Tim Wheaton says, same, Charlie. Haven't played for ages and just download the app and won a couple of games using some of your strategies. Dude, that's awesome, man. Well, I've got a board up, Andrew. Just waiting for you to make the move. Unknown. 1986. Why want to let you play me? Is it about the rating or something? David says my endings are improving. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, David, I had an end game the other night where I was up a pawn. And the position was repeating. And the only way to continue would be trade queens and double the pawn I was up. Okay, that game was aborted. You can send it again, unknown. Let me see if I can find you now. I don't know what. I don't understand why I won't let us play, man. I'm copying and pasting it from the game that you sent. Wait. I have time for... Yeah, that's you, man. Okay, looks like we're friends. Challenge. 15-10. We'll play unrated. Play. I sent it. There we go. Now we got a game. I get white this time. This is awesome. Yeah, we got it. And rather than repeating the position, I was like, guys, I'm up a pawn, right? I have to just play this ending. I have to do it. And I did it. And we freaking won. It was great. I played D4 first last time. Oh, I think D4 is the move on this one, right? You're black and missed H3 queening. No, it wasn't that one. That one was terrible, David. Oh my God. I played that ending. I think I felt like I did so good and I misanalyzed the end and didn't see the H3 move. I think I might even saw it. But then went back to playing freaking G3 or something, man. Is this a bad move in this position? Yeah, that was... No, I'm talking about another one that... I just manned up and said, hey, man, my position's probably even slightly worse, but I'm up a pawn. I gotta trade the queens and double my pawns, but I'm still up a pawn, and I think I'm supposed to play on, and I did, and we won. Okay, it's a move. Very Slavish. This looks weird, but I think it's a move in this position. I am not developing my king side yet, and I'm playing a good player. So I need to be careful, guys. Sonny Montellano, thank you for the like and follow, man. Ooh. I got a cool name, and I want to read it right. Tampasan. Is that Korean? Plays E6, right? We will play through here. Now, he kind of has this kind of thing going, right? So I might have to show some lust to expand later on whether I want to or not. D3, E2. D3 is more active. Kind of blocks this though, but it's protected. Can he attack it? No, he can play C5 though. I'm gonna play a bishop E2 and try and get castled. Chris Williams, thanks for the like. Appreciate you. How are we doing on a follower goal, man? There's one. As I ask about, PJ De La Cruz, thank you for the follow, man. Follower goal. Yeah, man, we're at 2745 of a 2800. Did you guys hear my song when I did when I hit 2600? Now, is my chat chilling right now? I think they are. Cool. So I know we got some new people here. If you're new to the stream, welcome. All the people who come every day know what I'm going to say right now. What am I going to say, guys? Hi, my name's Charlie. I play guitar and I play chess. And we do this every day. John Mikelira. Thanks for the like, dude. And Ridwan, thanks for the like. Appreciate you. Thanks for that. Welcome back, both you guys. I remember your names. David Betts says, how's Courtney doing tonight? I loved her singing the other night. Yeah, man, she just heard that. She's at my house. She's here for the evening, and I said, baby, I stream for 2 hours, and then we'll watch a movie. She said, totally, man. She's chilling on her phone right now. Oh. Duckworth. Greg Duckworth, what are you doing, man? I appreciate you. Thanks for supporting the stream. It's going to drop here in a second. He liked the stream. Irvin Fat Kick, welcome back. And Greg Duckworth dropped 200 stars. Thank you, Greg. I appreciate you. And Aaron Blue One, our supporter, with a great picture of his grandfather for his profile picture. He said, my wife and sister loved the music. Isn't that nice? Yeah, man. And it's my move, and I'm playing a good player. Yeah, he's eyeballing it. There's a hey, man. It's a square. I bet this is the move. Wait, maybe Queen C2. Start bringing rooks. What is this video? Jacob Chandler. What are you talking about? What is this video? I wish Lois Kane tells David, I wish I had caught that. What did they perform? That, Lois, was a supporter-only live stream. I went live from the bar with my band, and we played a couple of songs that I wrote one, and Courtney wrote most of the other one, but I helped her finish it. We kind of wrote it together. And so we sang songs that we owned, so we wouldn't get copyright strikes. And I did it at midnight, guys. And I wish I would have done it at 11 o'clock, because at midnight, I explained in the to the supporters in the supporter chat that we're pretty deep. We're pretty deep into the night, if you know what I mean. Castles, it's a real move. Which rook? I think this rook. Because I think D5 is going to be an idea. I think 95 is going to not be a bad move. Yes, David Batsa says, and the deer he killed on the freeway. Day of Reckoning, that's right. You can talk to us. This is coolness. Oh, Jacob, you've never been here before? Absolutely. This is a live stream, man. We're live. See where the little red thing says live? That's how you know it's live. If you come to my page, like my page, follow my page, you can watch a lot more of this, because I do it every day. So we streamed last night, night before, and you can still comment on them. I go back and read a lot of those comments. I get notifications when people comment. Knight E5 doesn't feel so strong because of C5, so I'm going to go ahead, just develop my other rook, right? Is there ever a fake move? Well, I don't know if there's like an actual fake move. It's a move. Oh, you're questioning the it's a move thing, huh? Marley Stanger, man, followed. Thank you, Marley. You're helping me get that goal at 2,800. We're at 2746. That's awesome, man. I think that's like 16 this stream. That's great, man. I appreciate you guys. Andrew's playing pretty good. Very solid position. Now the problem I could, yeah, he understands the heart of this situation. I feel like I need to start doing something now. Well, I could make a tickle and do say 6. It's a weakness. And maybe bring my bishop back. I'm playing it. Bishop d3. I heard, very cool. Someone, a Brandon, gifted me a supporter way back when I first came in. Perhaps you can't accept this. I don't know him, and I thanked him twice, but I'm not listed as a supporter. You know what happens? I don't think he can. I think I need to be a partner to get gifted subs. I don't think I can. Aaron says, you got enough original material to produce an album? Ever thought about it? Yeah, I have, man. I have. Cheryl Jones. Courtney's created her a full album. Courtney has a great album she made. But I just have not done it. Jacob says, no kidding, this is neat. And how are you, dude? Jacob, I'm doing great, man. Where are you from, Jacob? Jacob Chandler. Patrick says, hey, Charlie, how was your weekend? By the way, congrats on the amount of viewers. You're definitely growing. Yeah, man. Guys, you were just here for the first time we had 100 concurrent viewers. I feel like I saw that number at the very beginning when I started, but it never gave it to me. So maybe it wasn't real. But we just hit it. We just hit it. 100 at one time. And yeah. I know, yeah, it was the idea. It was the idea. And this diagonal is, it's a real thing. This queen has, his bishop can come to the d6, but then bishop d6, and I win a piece, right? So his queen will have to come back, but then what's the follow-up? Is there a follow-up? White is better. This looks like pretty much a no-brainer move. E5 just loses something. Yeah, I already analyzed it. I'm playing it. Oh wow, can you link Courtney's work? It's on iTunes, right? Do you want me to say that or no? What's the name of the album? She's on iTunes. You can download her stuff on iTunes. And the album is called, her name is Courtney Reed, and the album is called Somewhere Down This Road. I have a copy of it, and it's great. Her dad wrote a lot of the songs on it, and she wrote some of them with him, right? And her dad's a great songwriter. They had all great, it's very professional. It's very professional. Okay, play 95. .95 looks like a good move. H3 looks like maybe a better move. I think I'm going to play H3 because if he wants to play knight H5, I'm keeping that bishop. Look at his queen. This just maintains the position. You know what I'm saying? not looking at the chat right now. Well, I can now because I moved. B-Rad, welcome back, B-Rad. William Litz, thank you for the like, man. Patrick Chamberlain, thank you guys for the likes. Nancy Dyer, welcome, Nancy. And Cheryl Jones. The ladies, Nancy, Courtney, Nancy, and Cheryl are here. Love it. They came in back to back, and I missed them because I was like stuck in my position. Aaron says, yeah, I've been chilling with you in the background. When working like yesterday afternoon, we'll be doing quite a bit of that come June. Yeah, man, we will. June, man. Is that what's playing right now? No, this is my music. And you can download that, type exclam music. You can download that. That'll take you to the link to download my music. Right. It's not a real threat. It's not a real threat because I just win the rook. So now that... What other nasty improvement can I make? King H1, Knight E5. D5 does not feel ready. There's a weak square here. Playing 95 because I don't know what else to do. David says, tell Courtney I'll send her $50 for a 1 minute of Day of Reckoning. You have to accompany her on guitar, Charlie. Do you want to do that, Courtney? You can do what you want. You really don't want to? She told me, okay, David, she said, finish your game, bro. Okay, so we'll do that when the game's over. She did say I'm too hoarse, and actually, I know her voice very well. I can tell my voice is a little hoarse, too. St. Lucy, thanks for the like. But she said she'll do it, or it sounds like she will. She said finish the game. Well, he said we can do it another time, too, if you want to, Courtney. She said, yeah, give her a minute. We'll finish the game and we'll see. I should get ahead on time on the clock now, guys, because I have a much better position. I really need to consider what the heck in the world to do. I don't like F4. F4, F5 might be a move. It might be a move. This falls with check, though, if the queen ever hits it. He says I'll ask her to do it on her stream. Yeah, he could do that too, Courtney. Cool. You should post a link to your music, Charlie. Adrian, type exclam music. Exclamation point music, no space. And you'll get a link. Yeah, of course. I see. I know that. I know that. It's the point. Is the point. So this bishop then either needs to move. This knight isn't really doing anything. And this rook isn't really that important. So what if I play knight e2, looking at maybe coming to f4? It was going to help push d5. But I don't know. I'm not going to look at chat because I want to do this myself. Anthony T. Francis, thanks for the like, man. Appreciate you. Knight. Maybe this is just better. This kind of lets him untangle a little bit. Oh, but he just plays rook d4. I need to defend this pawn, and I need to do it before I waste all of my time. I think I might have to let him trade. No, it doesn't work. I have to move, guys. Now I'm just having to move because I gotta move. I'm not looking at the chat. I want to make this move myself. Another idea is bishop f1, or yeah, bishop f1. Maybe double up and break through here. It's so covered, man. It's so covered. I have to move. All right, defending the pawn. Yeah, my D pawn, I saw it. You like knight e2? Oh, I didn't play knight e2. I looked at knight e2. Yeah, knight e4. I saw that. I saw that. Yeah. David, that was my idea. I didn't do it though. I played the bishop back, but I'm taking too much time. I need to see these ideas faster. My pawn is okay for now. This bishop could possibly come to f3. Curtis Snell has liked, and Dylan Coop Miners has followed. Thank you. Anaro Chavez T-Pen has liked. Thank you. Raimundo Nonato, Romando, how you doing today? And Anthony T. Francis, I got you, man. What if... Well, this is a defender. I don't really feel like I'm going to be attacking anytime soon. It's possible. Plays c5, which will totally help him. Bishop coming, I can't allow it to take. So I think I'm going to take. Queen takes, hitting my knight. Oh, it's covered. It's covered. Okay. This pawn is protected. I have to move. I have to move. I have to move. I'm moving. I know that wasn't the best move in the position. You two have great chemistry on stage, David said. Thank you, David. Yeah, we had a lot of fun today. Almost too much fun. We started cracking each other up, like in the middle of at the beginning of one song. We laughed. It was funny. I love Courtney. We have a lot of good times together. We actually had a great gig last night, too. Trailblazers. And I still have my food. They make a pot pie, a chicken pot pie, to die for. That's exactly what I'm playing, David. I'm like B3, Bishop F3. 1000%. Good. See, I feel like when the ideas that I'm coming up with, I'm like, I don't see what to do, so I'm like, B3, Bishop F3, improve the bishop? I don't know. Yeah, I love it. Yep, improving the bishop and improving the rook. How much is Sigs there? Oh, I'm sorry, Jacob, I asked where you're from. Did you tell me? Oh, it says Tennessee. Okay, cool. Mike, how you doing, Mike? Okay. His rook can come over. So I guess I'm going to play my rook. Mike said I bought my first chess book today. So excited. That's awesome, man. I love the way you guys are want to buy chess books. I'm like, just watch videos online. But I think it's really cool. Now, there is a square here. But don't see what it does. The knight. Maybe just continue with my bishop f3 idea. Mike Stagner, man, you got your first chess book. What book is it, Mike? Knight a4 is an idea. It attacks the queen, but he could just play knight takes and miss my pawns up. That'd be bad. Chess.com has some pretty good lessons. They're amazing, Aaron, especially for people at the beginning level, intermediate, medium level. It's amazing. What do you play? I played bishop f3. Early beginner chess book. I like Bobby Fischer teaches chess. Yes, we recommended that to one of our viewers from Germany, Sarah Conradi. She comes in all the time and says, "Hello, Chin." Well, I could take the file. I don't really see a whole bunch of great infiltration points, but it's probably not a bad idea. His queen, how many square? Oh, I could take with a knight. And then he has to mess his pawns up. That's the theme in the position. Okay, now that I see that, this knight is the best piece on the board, but I can trade it for a structural weakness. I could also trade the bishop and keep the strong knight there. That might be better. Doing it. Yeah, see, I didn't see that far. I didn't see that far into it, David. Now I have an idea of possibly knight. No. Okay, I can also take the file. I could play queen, bishop must take, and then queen d3. I think I should take the file because it comes with tempo. Queen d3 doesn't lose anything. I'm playing queen d3. don't quite have the infiltration squares I was hoping for, though. It's a good move. I wish I could harass him more. Attack the weak square, I guess. I need to prepare it, I think. I don't know how to do this, man. I don't know how to do it. I'll just do it this way. This is it. So, does it do anything? No, he just moves his queen. Moves his queen. I can take. Then I have... I don't have a check. Gotta do it. I gotta move. I gotta move. Dos Valencia has liked. Curtis Snell, thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate you giving me the like and the follow. I'm not looking at chat right now, guys, because I don't want ideas. I need to do this myself. My king is very safe. Sadly, his king is pretty safe too. That was a good move too, because it also stops bishop d6. There's no checks. There's no knight checks. There's no queen checks. Joe Mark June Corey Corpin. Good noon, bro. William Litt says, I am kinesthetic primary and auditory secondary. Okay. I'm not sure what that means. Oh. Said he was going to play really fast. He's played 5 minutes faster than me. I'm trying, Dave. I am trying. This is above my level. Will he play knight takes e4? I think he doesn't want to. I think on knight takes e4, queen takes, and I am winning this pawn. I might not actually be. Yeah, I am. But he can just move his queen, I think. Sometimes there isn't a knockout punch, David says, and you have to play positionally. No, that's what I'm learning, David. That's what I'm learning. And I try to do it when, like, when I played h3. Keep the knight out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, and you know, if it was a 40-2, at the peak of the position, I might have gave it a few minutes. But it's a little bit faster. Rick Hard has liked, and Mitchell Botham has liked. Thank you, guys. Harvey Barlow, man. Yes, it's a move. He also threatens. It comes with a threat. So... this is going to be okay. So I think now I need to take and then play the knight. And I have 40 seconds. So I'm going to do it. Queen check doesn't win my knight. I just move. And when the bishop comes, he'll be attacking it. I'll come here. Oh. Aaron Dalpe says, "What's up, everybody? I've been watching you for like 2 days, and honestly, you're soothing. I can't wait till I got on Facebook to see your next stream." Thank you, man. Did I have knight c6 there, man? Knight c6, queen e1 check, king h2. Oh, yeah. Okay. Someone's dropping stars. Rick Hard, thank you, man. 75. Appreciate you, dude. He's threatening. I just had to move. He was threatening check. You can have the check. Play king up. I was looking at stuff. I have 20 seconds, guys. I gotta blitz this out. He can just take... yeah, he just takes a pawn. Wow. I saw this stuff right here. Pretty low on time. Don't know what it does. Feels good, though. And I saw these dark squares a long time ago. Know what it does, though. Don't know if I could beat a good player with 20 seconds. Jacob Chandler. But I think white is still better. You can't take the bishop because queen d8 mate. If the bishop comes to e7, I take, and then I come in on the dark squares. If he plays bishop g5, I play f4. Oh, he could come to this square, though. Then I could play g3. Then he'll just come back. Then I come in. You like that move? Yeah, man. I saw the theme. I have 20 seconds. I really need to look. Guys, I'm not going to look at chat. I'm going to try and win this game. The rake is real, bro. There are no checks. Oh, he's going to get checks on light squares. He's going to get checks on light squares. Oh, he got it here. Oh, Rick Hard, thanks for the 50, brother. Yeah, I'm looking at all these ideas, man. I see the ideas. I see the pawn. I see the pin. I see F7. I see it all, man. It's all my goal, but he's going to check me. My question is, can I come to F1? Plays back, okay? Threatening nothing. Back to pawn. Threaten that. Still on this. You know, I also have king h8 if I can do everything with checks. I mean, king h2 and give this pawn up if he attacks it. These are things I'm looking at. I don't think. Now. Oh no, I can't do it like that. Now he gets a draw. I wanted to play here, but I'm like trying to get time. Oh my god. I should, on that last move, I should have played king h2. I'm freaking low on time and I'm playing, I'm trying to get the increment going, man. But now I can't do it because queen takes. So I think if he wants to draw, I think I have to give it to him. God. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Good game, dude. Good game, Andrew. Okay, let's look at the report. I played with 61% accuracy. He played with 71. I was completely winning the whole game. It got equal at one point. I was totally winning again, and then it got equal. But I want to jump to the end. I want to look. Here's what I want to look at. Just very simply, what about this move? +6. Oh, but he can still defend the pawn. No, he can't because of this. Patrick Chamberlain says, good game anyway, Charlie. Have a good rest of your night. Off to bed. Patrick, man, what a great game. Yeah, wow, man. Yeah, you got kind of laid back there. Patrick, thank you for the 100, man. See, guys, I saw the idea of picking up one move to do this, and I played the increment. I said repeat a couple times and it won't repeat. It won't repeat here. but I can't play king here because of this. So I let it slip through. I let it slip. I had him. Good draw, Andrew. Very good, man. I did the one inaccuracy at the end. Totally blew that, man. Yeah, well, it was a good game. I enjoyed it. Thank you very much. And guys, with that, I am gonna call it a night. You gonna let David catch you on your stream, Courtney? That'll be great. That'll be good for the girls too, because they like. But I'm gonna have to come over there though. I'm gonna have to be there when you stream, so we'll plan it. Okay, guys. Thanks so much. Hey, if you're new to the stream, man, you guys know what to do, right? Hold on, wait, hang out a second too, because I'm gonna wait and see if Zakutso's streaming. Because if he is, we're gonna raid him, man. We're gonna raid him. Let me see. I'm about to end the stream. Choose a streamer. And there is... Can you believe it's not recommending anybody to me? That's crazy. There's no one streaming at this time. Okay, no one gets the raid. Guys, I love you so much. What a great time. Don't forget !notify. Sometimes people forget to do that, right? Follow, like, all that good stuff. I love you guys, man. I'm sorry I didn't win that freaking game. Andrew's a good player. But I was supposed to win that game. Or continue with my advantage. And my queen has my king has some holes in it. So with the queens on, this knight is so far out of play though when I have threats. And I think I did really good getting in here, man. Taking the file, dark squares, bishop e5 was an exclam. Yeah, that was good, man. Woo! What a great night of chess. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Normal time tomorrow. We'll start around 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Texas Central Time. Okay? I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for all the comments, man, and everything. Yeah, I know I had this. That was the threat. That was the threat, man. That was the threat. I mean... Oh, you can't play it there. You got to come back and then I think you get mated, right? Maybe not. King h8. Queen d8 check. Oh yeah, you have queen. You have queen back. Then queen f6 check. And then I win the queen, right? Doesn't this win the queen? No, he takes it. Duh. Queen f5 check. King h8. Yeah, I'm up a pawn. I'm up 2 pawns. Man, what a game. Guys, love you. Thank you. Good game. Yeah, we'll play again, man, for sure. Rick said, "Damn, just got off work. I'll follow you for the next time." Do that and watch the replay, man. We had some really good games today, and we learned a lot. Set on real-time comments if you watch the replay. That way you can see, because there are some good players. Andrew's plays good, and David's a master, and you'll see some really good comments, suggestions and stuff about the game that we're playing if you watch with real-time comments. Good night, guys. Thanks, man. It was totally fun. I'm wore out from thinking so hard. I feel like I just played chess. I mean, I did play chess, but I tried a little harder on that game. I really wanted to win that game. Thanks, guys. Good night.